everyone, my name is Sarah LaFay and I'm the Director of Marketing at iCue. I created this video to show you the key features of Perfectly Clear Cloud, which is our pay-per-image online solution. Let's start with what Perfectly Clear Cloud actually is. Perfectly Clear Cloud was created for photographers that would like to take advantage of batch processing while only paying for what they use. You simply load your images into Cloud, choose your preset model, and download a zip file of edited images. It's super simple and you get charged for your usage at the end of the month. Now, you're probably watching this video because you're about to test out Cloud or Web API, so I'm going to give you a rundown on how to use Cloud so you don't have to try to figure it out for yourself. It's super easy. You'll be up and running in no time. So let's start with step 1, logging into Cloud. As you can see, I'm already logged in. First, I'm brought to my dashboard. This is where I can see all the data. My jobs, my usage, my free credits, everything. I created a new account for this demo, so my dashboard should look like yours. On the left here, I have all my tabs. The Jobs tab is where I'll go to create my first job. The Presets tab is where I can keep all the presets I want to use in Cloud. We have 2 intelligent preset groups already loaded in here that fully work out of the box, but you do have the option to tweak your preset groups or load in a single preset. I'm not going to get into that right now because we're just testing, but I wanted to let you know that customization is an option. Then we have the Web API tab. If you don't need to integrate our API into your product or business, you don't have to worry about this tab. Then lastly, we have our settings with account info and billing. So it's finally time to start our first job. I'll start by going into my Jobs tab. You can either drag and drop images or click to open. I have a folder of images I want to correct, so I'll select them all and load them in. You can see that they're all loaded here. I'm going to name my job so I can keep track of it, then select a preset or preset group. As you can see here, there are 2 preloaded AI preset groups. You'll want to choose your AI preset group based on the types of images you're loading. The universal model was created for a wide array of photos. If your business has imagery of people, landscapes, and objects, this model is for you. The Pro model was created for professional portrait photographers. This can be used by professional portrait photographers, school and sports photographers, event photographers, etc. Choosing the right model is important because Perfectly Clear uses AI to identify the contents of the image and choose a preset within the model before applying targeted corrections. This allows us to be more accurate. For example, if you are correcting a photo of a newborn baby, you want it to be soft and subtle, while a photo of a sunset should be bright and vibrant. Because I'm using mostly professional school portraits in this folder, I'm going to choose our Pro model. I click Process Job, and you can see it has already gotten to work correcting my photos. You can see the status here, and once it's completed, I get to download the corrected images. I simply download in a zip file, and there they are. Super easy and fast, no manual editing or extra time required. And that's that. If you are super excited and ready to start testing, you can stop the video here. Otherwise, I'll briefly talk about credits and pricing. When you first sign up for your Cloud account, you get 100 free credits to use in testing. Of course, you want to take advantage of these free corrections, so I recommend starting with that. If you need more credits or want to get started right away, you can go into Settings, Billing, and then change Pricing Plan to activate your paid account. To talk about pricing for just a second before we move on, pricing is based on a credit system starting at 10 cents per credit. Accounts are charged for these credits at the end of the month in $10 increments. So as you can see here, the more you use, the more cost-effective your credits are. The usage is calculated per tier at graduated pricing. So your first 50,000 credits are 10 cents per credit, then the next 200,000 credits are only 2.5 cents per credit. And what does a credit get you? A lot. Color correction, retouching, or a combination of the two are just 1 credit. We'll never charge you extra for retouching. We consider it part of our general correction. So if you are using a preset with automatic color correction and retouching, it's still just 1 credit. Large files do require an extra credit. So if you were to do color correction with a file over 10 megabytes, it would cost 2 credits. We also have some more features coming soon, and we'll release the associated credit costs once everything is finalized. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions or need any assistance, we're always here to help. You can contact us anytime by emailing our team at cloud@iq.photos. Happy testing!